Hi there, my name is Wendy and I run Serenity Fitness Yoga and Reiki. So most people are coming in because they're curious about what Reiki actually is. And if you think about us being energetic bodies, everything is made of energy. A Reiki master can channel the energy around you and help push it through your energy field, I guess, and create this relaxation response. And that's when your body really gets into that healing mode when you're super relaxed. I noticed that I've been very sensitive to energy for quite some time. And I noticed that when I walked around people who were really angry or sad, I would pick up those feelings and not understand that it wasn't me that was having these issues. You know, you almost think that you're crazy. And then I found out that if I protected my energy body, I found someone to help me and to train me as a Reiki master. That if I keep some of these stones around me and I keep my energy body safe and healthy, those things really just didn't bother me anymore, and I could protect my space, and anything that other people had just didn't affect me like it used to. Okay, so we talked about energy work and Reiki, but I also teach yoga. So especially the one that I want to focus on today is right now we're doing a yoga session down by the river, those big huge trees that offer great shade on Wednesdays at 6 p.m. And then other than that, probably the most frequently requested or scheduled appointment is the chakra alignment and assessment. It's just a basic session where I explain everything I'm doing, how energy works, and they love that one. I am on Facebook at My Serenity Fitness, and I have all of the services on there that you can find. I even post occasionally meditations that you can practice in small yoga sequences. I'm at 235 Main Street down in Brandenburg.